Okay, so let's start. These are our applications, and this is a new one, MT4 mesh trader. So you can see here that there is a files. You have to extract this to here. Okay, and then MT4 file placed in the MT4 folder, export folder. Okay. In the export, just place here. I have already, so I will not put it over. Okay, so it's okay. And in MT5 you can place the MT5 files. Okay. Match trader, it's here. Okay, so when I will open the thread here, and it will be copied to here. There is a lots of facility inside the EA. You can open and close same lot size as you open on the MT4 or either MT4 or MT5. Okay, it will take the same lot size from this different account. Okay. So after that, I have to set up first this configuration file. In the configuration file, you have to put the login. I mean, where you have to log in, like if you have to log in from this URL, like this one prop fund sites, and login URL is this. So you have to put the login here, and then put the email, and then password, and account ID you want to copy, and the broker ID. You can get broker ID list from us. We will provide the lots of broker ID list. Broker ID, you can change the if you want to change the broker, you have to change the ID for that. Okay, and just save it. Okay, and just close this. And after that, it will be show the account like this here. Okay, and you have to put the account ID same as like here. Okay, and after that, just start the application, and it will automatically take the effect for this application. And after that, you have to put this mesh trader to the normally same as like this. Okay, and then after that, you will see the account is connected with this. Okay, you will see here. And this, after that, once I'm opening the order, like buy limit, sell limit, you will see here the order will be open here. See, trade order is already opened here. For the refresh, it was not shown, but after refresh, you can see these all orders. Okay, and then sell limit. You can see here all this trade. You will see here. Okay, you can see same lot size and same. It will be shown like that. Like I'm changing the lot size here. From the here, like 0.30, then it will sell 5. You will see it 0.30. and 0.30 here, 30. Okay, whatever lot size you can use. Okay, and when I closing it, to close the orders, I just keeping only 2 orders, then it will be keep this 2. Okay, okay, so after that I'm opening the simple buy and sell. You will see here the sale is open with 0.01 and the buy one. You can see the buy is open, and I'm modifying the SL and TP. You will see the stop loss is updated and take profit is updated. You can see easily. Okay. And after I remove the stop loss, you can see stop loss is updated for this. I'm putting the take profit to here. Yeah. It's updated to the right. Okay. You can see the same take profit and same stop loss for these two. Yeah, if you see this, and after that I'm closing this one, and it will be close the pending as well. And when I closing this one, it will be closed this here. And every order is closed. Let's see. The same as like you can put the more orders, like I'm putting the sell stop, buy stops, like this. Sell stop, buy stop. You can see same price. It's the same price as you can see. Okay, so I'm moving the price. Okay, you can see. Let's see. You can see what price is moved. I'm moving the stop loss 1.1096, 1.10, to 1.1196. Putting the TP like is here in this 1.10. As you can see, the stop loss and take profit is gone here. When I'm closing this position, I can check it easily. When I'm moving this, it will be more to this. When I'm downside, it will be more to downside. It's very easy to install and very easy to set up this tool. And then once everything is okay, then you can close this application and turn off the it will not take the order. Okay. So if you have any queries, then let me know. I will show you how you can solve any problem. Okay, so thank you.